Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, today I am going to tell you one story, and in this story I am going to use all the rules such as tenses, passive, causative, conditional, modal and conjunction, preposition, all the things guys, so that you can also use all the things while speaking. Because if you use intentionally that okay, today I'm going to tell you one story, and in this story I'm going to use modal and causative, conditional. So after learning all the things, these advanced structure, try to speak, try to use these structure in your story guys. I'm telling you, if you do this, so while speaking, while having conversation, of course you are not going to get stuck, of course you are going to describe your topic. So let's start guys. So yesterday I got up in the morning, I got fresh, then after that I was given breakfast. This is passive. I was given breakfast, I took breakfast. After that my father, he was in the room, he came to me and he asked me, Gyanendra, my fan is not working, so get my fan fixed. I said okay dad, after half an hour I will go to market and I will get your fan fixed. He said okay. Then my brother came to me and he said to me, hey, go and clean my bike. Today I have to go somewhere. I said, hey bro, I'm not going to clean your bike. You always make me clean your bike. I'm not your servant here. He said, what did you say? How can you say this thing? I'm going to beat you. I said, okay, no matter whether you will beat me or what, I'm not going to clean your bike. He said, no matter what happens, I I will make you clean my bike today. I said, okay, let's see how will you make me clean your bike today. Then we both started quarreling each other. And after that my dad came and he said to my brother, what happened? Why are you quarreling? Why are you shouting at him? And then my brother said to my dad, hey, he is not working. Like whatever I say to do, he just denies. Dad said, okay, let it be. Why don't you do your work? Go and clean your bike. Then my brother went away from there and I just started watching TV. After half an hour, I just went to market along with my dad's fan and I got my dad's fan fixed. Then I came back to home. After that, I took shower, took lunch, and after that I asked my mom, hey mom, where is father? My mom said to me, your father is not here, I think he must have gone to park. I said okay. Then I said to my mom, give me some money because I want to eat something. She said, hey, I don't have money. Go to your brother, he must have money. I said okay, but I'm not going to brother because he will not give me money. My mom said, just go and just ask, I'm going to tell him that give you money. I said okay. Then my mom called my brother and my brother came and my mom said to my brother, give him some money. Then my brother gave me, though my brother was totally aggressive that time, but however he gave me money. And getting that money, I went to nearby grocery shop and I bought so many things from there. And while coming I came across my one of my friends and I started talking to him and I had lots of fun with him. And after that I came back to my home, and as soon as I came back to my home, I saw my father was at home and he asked me what happened with my fan. I said, Dad, I got your fan repaired. He said, okay, great. He got happy. Then I fixed that fan in his room, and after that I grabbed my mobile which was on the table and I went went upstairs and I started walking on the roof. And while walking I thought I should talk to my friends. So I called one of my friends and I started talking to him. I asked him, hey bro, I called my friend named Subham. So I asked him, hey Subham, where are you? He said, yes, I'm at home. What happened? Why didn't you call me in the morning? I said, oh, actually in the morning I was quite busy. Then he asked me, what happened? What did you do in the morning? Where were you? I said, actually in the morning I had to go to market in order to get my father's fan fixed. He said okay, no problem. Then I asked him, hey, how was your day? So tell me, where were you? He said, yes, I was not at home. Actually, I was in the field. I had lots of work today, so I was busy with my field work. I said, oh great, so now what are you doing? He said, now I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for my dinner. I said to me that, okay, my dinner is being prepared, so my mom is calling me, so I'm going, so we will talk later. I said, okay, no problem, you can go. After that, I hung up the call and I started listening to some song, and I started listening, and I kept on listening song for half an hour. And after that, when uh, when it was dark, so I came downstairs and I was also given dinner. I took dinner, went to bed, and then uh, I again started watching my mobile. I was watching some reels related uh, songs, and after that, when I felt sleepy, so I put my mobile aside and I closed my eyes and I slept. So guys, I tried to use so many structures such as causative, conditional, modal, passive, and so many things. So if you are doing this, if you are practicing like this, so of course you are going to be fluent. No one can stop you. So this is, it can be done by yourself. You don't need any partner and anyone. Of course, after grabbing all the knowledge, suppose now you are learning tenses, okay, it's okay, so just with the help of tenses you can speak whatever you want to speak. So guys, it's a great. Then learn passive, then causative, conditional, modal, conjunction, preposition, and so many things like this. And of course, if you are using all the thing whatever you are learning and you are able to speak, you are able to use in your conversation, in your story, absolutely great guys. Of course you will be able to speak. You don't need to say that, okay, actually I know all the thing but I don't know how to speak. So of course, by this way, of course you can be fluent. Now you actually, I have fun. People say that, okay, you can do because you are making video. It's not that, it's not like that guys. If you start speaking, suppose you know all the things, situational situation, you know all the situation, so now you can speak anything. I never ever make plan that, okay, today I'm going to speak this, so let me write something and let me think something before speaking, before making video. It's not like that. Because why? Because I know, I whatever I'm going to speak, I'm going to speak with the help of situation. So of course I'm going to speak. You can also speak guys. Just make habit. Until you open your mouth, how can you speak? So guys, just try. Yeah, I can understand, like for 2 days, 3 days, maybe 1 week you are going to feel bored, but after that you will get habit. Until you do this, you are not going to feel good. So just do. No one can stop you to become fluent speaker. So guys, this is all about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will make so many videos. I am making such kind of videos so that you can also get inspired by me and you can also start. So guys, this is easy. It's a like piece of cake for everyone. Now we have social media. We can take advantage of social media, learn and just speak. So this is all we have to do. So guys, thank you so much. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.